Merhaba! Hello my friends and welcome back to Tamada's table. Today we will be making Gupta meatball soup. Please like, comment and subscribe because it helps me to promote Tamada's table, Georgian cuisine in English language on YouTube. Gupta can be made from beef or a combination of beef and pork. The water needs to come back to boil. After that, you will cook them until they are cooked through and the rice is tender. You don't want it, right? Like rice on your teeth. No, we want rice tender. So cook until it's done. Well, if you see the scum on top, just remove it. So you see the meatballs are cooking in their own broth. I didn't add anything, but some people, they like to add bay leaves. Ajiga. adjika. I like to season my dishes with adjika, especially soups and stews, you know. Adjika makes them delicious. The recipe for adjika is on Tamada's table. Look for cooking adjika. Now all you can do is just to continue cooking meatballs until they are done. And look how cool they look. Yep. And adjika made such delicious smell when I added it to the broth. I prefer pure broth with some salt and black pepper and 1 teaspoon or less or more of adjika. You need adjika at home when you cook with Tamada. Now let's leave these meatballs alone and let's cook them. Now that's the time when you need to taste the broth and decide, you know, do you need more salt or pepper in it, and also of course a shower of fresh herbs. I had only cilantro and parsley, so I used these 2 herbs and I will be adding more now to my broth and cook it just like for 2 minutes together, and your soup is done. So it's time to taste. If you forget to put salt or pepper, and you know that some people, they also add potatoes in this soup. I prefer the pure broth, but you can add some potatoes too. It will be very good. I put a lot of adjika, but you may not like so spicy and hot, so just add as much adjika as you like. If you don't have adjika, just add black pepper, salt, and you can add a little bit of chili pepper. So today, my friends, we made Gupta meatball soup. And Georgians love these tvaniani dishes, something in between soup and stew, or soupy stews and stewy soups, because they allow them dipping delicious Georgian bread, shotis puri or lavashi, which is traditional Georgian bread, into this delicious, aromatic, full of flavors soups or stews. Oh! Bon appetit! Kemrielet mirtvīt, and see you soon. Bye.